New stream, who dis? What's up, DK? It's your boy. A to the L to the E to the C. Your boy Alec. Hey ho, hey ho. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh, hey, pretty good. It's a pretty good rhyme. Yes. Huh? Okay, here are some terms. I'm just gonna accept them. Apple, take all my data, apparently, because I don't read. Okay, yeah, there we go. I got the email saying my Apple ID was used to sign in with iCloud. Good morning, Grüvee. Ooh, I like that. All right, let me try it again. We got this. This is it, friends. This is the one. There, I think it did. Maybe. It says signing in. Yay, it worked. Let's go. All right. There it is. So we signed into our iCloud account. Bye-bye. Got our email. We're good there. That's good there. Okay. Friends and family. Grüvee app is now signed in on our device. It's finished. It's getting there, Ed. Yeah. I say at least with the UI standpoint, yeah, the MVP in the sense of I want to send it out for people to use. Like beta-wise, yes. To release in the App Store, no, I don't think so. There's still like some key things I would like to put in, like edit functions and things like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The main goal is to get it out for all of you to beta test, or whoever would like to. Must be some deep link setting in there. Hopefully, I don't know. Right, we're essentially rebuilding Grüvee. I'm gonna go to Safari and I'm just gonna add in the thing. But yeah, so after we go through our Spotify auth, that should be our callback URL. It should open back in there, Safari. So it should be. Open. Oh! Oh! Deep links, bro. Can't hold all these frames. Nah, man. Too much power. Too much power. Too much power. Anyways. Anyways, what were we? Yo! Let's go. I mean, there's an error, but yo, let's go. It opened the browser. I think this was working to begin with. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, yo, dude. Spotify auth, baby. Oh, no. It says illegal. You can't really see it, but right here it says illegal redirect URI. It's illegal. Why is it illegal? Yeah, I can't do it. Oh shit, the Pope. Yo, the Popo's coming. BRB. Okay. So log in with Spotify. Oh! There it is. Yeah, yeah. So I just moved this to auth.js because this is our authentication, right? We should go from there. Oh! Yemorks! My freaking guy! Holy shit, man! What the hell? What the hell? Dude, thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs. Where you can't just every time you come in, you say hey. You don't even say hey, you just throw gifted subs. Sizzin, Gamut, Phoenix, Santi, and Neon. Let's all give a round of applause to our hiring manager on the Pixelogic dev team, Yemorks. My guy, dude. Your support is incredible, man. I appreciate you so much. Let's go ahead, go through the auth flow one more time. Again, I'm going to hide the screen at a certain point right here. Because if we do get our API token, bruh, we've done it. And I will tell you if we did. I am pressing open right now. It still says buffer is not defined. What the F, man? What do you mean my buffer is not defined? Oh, I know why. I didn't npm install. Wait, I did. I just did that. What the? My other comp is dead. Oh, no, I didn't. Nah, that'd probably work, right? Import. That'd probably also be another thing. Import buffer from buffer. Yeah, that'll probably do the trick. Listen. All right, it's a common mistake. It happens at least 4 times a stream. So if you're in this stream and you're watching and you're like, yo, what the F is wrong with this guy? This happens every stream. So just be prepared, okay? You sure? Hey, no more than 4, creative. No more than 4, no less than 4. Just write 4. Right at 4. Yeah. Hey, 5,000th time is the charm. One more time, back to the secret. All right, we got a new error though. So I wonder if it's this. Is it this? I thought length. Yeah, I thought length though. Dude, if that's it, I'm gonna cry. Nah, because it gives us. God no! Please don't let it be this. Please don't ruin me like this. Okay, log in with Spotify. Just in case it pops up. Holy fucking shit. Why? Why? Why am I so bad at developing? Oh my god, dude. I'm having a lot of memory issues on my Mac, right? I think I kind of touched on this probably a couple days ago on stream. I don't really remember. But I was talking about how I can't update anything. And like I just have no memory on my Mac, and it's really, really annoying. And so I was about to refactor my computer last night. I'm like, I'm just gonna format it. That's what the word I was looking for. I'm like, I'm just gonna do it. Just get this crap out of the way. Like, I'm so done with this thing. And then I really, really thought about it. I'm like, this is a terrible idea. This is the last thing I want to do. It's gonna be bad, right? And so I went to see like what I could remove, and I realized I downloaded my Tesla stream when we did the 16-hour stream from California to Seattle drive in the Tesla. It's like 4 or 5 videos, right? Because like my stream kept cutting out and shit. But one of those videos was literally like 13 gigs of memory. And I was like, oh. So I got my backup drive, went in there, got all those videos out of there, as well as, you know, some other stuff. And I was finally able to get memory on my Mac. I was finally able to update Xcode. There's been an update for like a month and a half I haven't been able to download, and I was running into a lot of issues. And I think maybe potentially like very, very low chance that our Apple auth issues on simulator might possibly maybe be fixed. I don't know. I've seen like my friends use 13 inches on the plane, and it's been like much better than what I've been. Like Let me show you the scenario that goes through my head every single time. I get my laptop out and I'm like, all right, yo, let's do this thing. And I grab it and I put it on the little foldy thing, right? The little table. Put it on there. Open up the screen, and then the screen is touching like the very top of the foldy thing holder, the foldy table. And then I get terrified. If someone moves their seat back, they're going to literally crack my screen in half. It's just gonna go bah, and it's gonna crack the entire thing, and it's gonna be the worst time ever. So yeah, that's why I don't like it. I have a guest room with a Mac Mini, or do you have a guest room for your Mac Mini? Come stay in my Airbnb. I have a guest computer. Don't forget the printer in there, man. Don't forget the printer in there. It's for you? Yo, you know what we should do? Evgen, I'm going to fly out to you. I'm going to stay in your new renovated kitchen. And we'll do a co-stream. And I'll use the Mac Mini. And you use your setup. And we'll do something. We'll build some sort of app. We'll have a hackathon. We'll have a hackathon 24-hour stream at your home. Oh my God. If your coffee is getting cold, I just got you a new one. No. Yo, dude, thank you so much for that, man. It is getting cold. It's getting very cold. Cheers to that, Licorice. Appreciate you, dude. Thanks for the coffees, bro. Jesus. Emorks. Hold up. We gotta have a little talk real quick. I don't think this is gonna work out anymore. I don't think this is gonna work out. You can't come in and ruin stand up to bring in some new interns. This is not how it works. Like, what the? We're in the middle of stand up, man. Come on. Yes, we're just gonna add one more button here. That should give us the dealio. Okay, it looks like it works. How many more Apple buttons can we? Oh, that's pod file. Oh God, how many more can we add here? This is, guys, this is what it's gonna look like. In case you're curious. This is how many sign-in methods that we're going to include. And folks, right on cue, we have reached 2,500 followers. We did it. 2,500 followers on the PixelogicDev stream. Let's go, boys and girls. This is actually pretty freaking crazy. Man, 2,500, huh? It feels like a lot. It's been a lot of work, I guess, to get there, but we have a bigger goal now. We have to get to 3,000 followers soon. Yeah, we have to get to 3,000, but thank you all for the follows today. Thanks for all the subs that have come in today. It's been freaking awesome. Appreciate all the support. Also, like, you look like a basement dweller, Alec. Oh no. Let's go. Basement dweller. I love it. I love it, man. Roars! I'm just here temporarily for the birthday love. Hey, happy birthday, Roars. I want to let you know you are not turning older today. You're just turning a different number of years. Hey, can we give some love to Roars, everyone? Show her some love. Thank you so much for being a mod here, Roars. I hope you have a fantastic birthday today. Go get yourself a Tesla. That's all I gotta say. Go get yourself a Tesla. If you need a Tesla referral code, hit me up. Just as an FYI. Tesla referral code. You freaking rock, man. God damn it. Freaking rock. All right. My voice sounds so funny. You're so great. You're so good. It's like this, like this. You're so great, Spectre. Thank you. Why is my voice like this? When I stream, it's just any support is like the first time I've been given any sort of, like, you know when when you're young and you're living with your parents, right? I mean, or you're old. I guess it depends on your scenario, but I digress. And you do like chores for your parents and they give you like $10. That's how it feels. And you're like, oh my God, this is so good. You know, like, thanks mom, thanks dad. Like, I did something. Thanks for giving me money to go out to the movies tonight and buy a popcorn. You finished the first module of the tour. I did it. Guys, we did it. First module down. What? That's all I had to do? Hey, I'll take it. We're going back over to the Emote Redeem Theater. I guess that's what I'm calling it now, the Emote Redeem Theater. Let's, I guess let's see if we can do it this time. And, yeah, hopefully get some emotes. Again, if you haven't been part of the emote face cover shenanigans, timer's going to go on the clock for 30 seconds, if it works, hopefully. Chat will be in emote only mode. And you can get to cover my face in emotes. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see if this thing actually works. I hope it works this time. I don't know. Don't know. Thanks for redeeming your pixels, Pinky. Let's get it. Hey! Enjoy, my friends. I have no idea what I redeemed. Well, this is it, Pinky. This is it. Feel free to post an emote in chat. And there you go. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Oh! 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 You got 7 seconds. You got 7 seconds. Hey! CD CMD. Go build. Go build the thing. Built the thing. Call main. Yes! We served it! Yes!